What's going on, everyone? If you're looking for a huge way to help upgrade the capabilities of your IBEX 450, you've got to check out the Quiet Glide skid plate. It's going to give you tons more protection off-road, and the UHMW on the bottom is going to help it glide over obstacles on the trail. Now, we've got an awesome product spotlight that goes over all the added benefits that this is going to bring to your bike, but I want to show you exactly how easy this install is. For this install, what we're going to need is we're going to need a T40 and a T30 Torx bit. Now, if you got T-handles or if you got ratchets, either way is going to work great, but we're going to have 6 of the M8 bolts and 5 of the M6 bolts that we're going to be using for this install. Now, the first part of this install is going to need to happen on the bench because you're going to be placing this bracket loosely on the skid plate. Now, one thing I will point out is this L. This is going to be on the left-hand side. This bracket is not the same from side to side, so make sure you install that correctly to get you started off on the right foot.
So we will start with installing that and keep it nice and loose so it's able to move around.
Now, as we're starting on the bike and putting this skid plate on, I will point out we have seen some pretty good variances from model to model with these bars on both sides. There's a number of different ways that can help you install this, but if needed, you do have a bolt right here and then 2 bolts on the top of this bar that you can loosen just a little bit so that you can move this around as you're installing if needed. Now, a big thing, of course, be sure not to forget to tighten those back up.
We're going to start by lining up the skid plate and screwing in the small size M6 side bolts to help line up the other bolts. Now, the instructions do talk about starting with the M8s, but with one pair of hands, I have found it's a little easier to start with these M6s. Now for the M8 bolts, we will start in the front of the skid plate.
Again, because of the differences in a lot of these, you may need to use something to help line up this last bolt. I'm going to use a set of C-clamp vice grips, and I'm going to put a rag on the skid plate just so I don't mess up that nice finish.
Second, we're going to move to these middle 2 M8 bolts. And the final 2 M8 bolts will be located underneath and behind the foot pegs. Now that we have all the bolts loosely fitted, we need to adjust the skid plate for best fitment. Then we can start tightening all of the M8 hardware down, starting from the front. Now we are going to tighten down all 5 of the M6 bolts.
And we got this done in roughly about 30 minutes. Gonna be easy for you to upgrade the capabilities and off-road prowess of your IBEX 450. To get yours, go to the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.